Puppeteer or Selenium. These two tools run headless browsers to scrape sites that load content through JavaScript. Without them, you're just fetching empty HTML. But they work very differently under the hood, and that affects your speed, setup, and success rate. Let's start with the basics. Puppeteer is a Node.js library from Google's Chrome team. It runs a headless Chrome instance and talks to it directly through Chrome DevTools Protocol, or CDP, which makes it faster and lighter than the alternatives. Setup takes a single command since it ships with a bundled Chromium version. Firefox support was added in version 23, but it's still experimental. On the other side of the ring, Selenium is a headless browser automation framework that supports 6 programming languages and runs on Chrome, Safari, Firefox, and Edge. Selenium was originally built for QA testing, but it's now widely used for scraping too. So on paper, both tools get the job done. The real question is how they differ in practice. Well, here are the 4 things that matter most. First, speed. Puppeteer talks to Chrome through CDP, a direct connection. Selenium, on the other hand, routes commands over HTTP through a separate driver process, which adds roughly 50 to 200 milliseconds per action. In a short script, you won't feel it, but with 10,000 tasks, that adds up to minutes. Second, language support. Puppeteer only works with Node.js, and that's it. There's no official Python, Java, or Ruby support, but Selenium covers all of those, plus C# and Kotlin. If your team writes Python, which is common in data and scraping projects, Puppeteer is not an option. Third, browser support. Puppeteer is Chrome first, as mentioned before, and it has experimental Firefox support. But Safari and Edge aren't on the table. Selenium runs all 4 of these browsers. That matters when a site serves different content depending on the browser that you're using. And fourth, anti-bot tooling. Puppeteer has Puppeteer Extra Plugin Stealth, which patches automation fingerprints that detection systems look for. But there's nothing like it on Selenium's side. The closest option is NoDriver, a community project built by the same developer behind Undetected Chrome Driver. But even with these tools, neither Puppeteer nor Selenium can handle Cloudflare, Akamai, or Datadome on their own. So which one should you pick? Here's the short answer. Go with Puppeteer if you're working in Node.js and only need Chrome. It's faster to set up and run. Use Selenium if your team works in Python, Java, or another language that Puppeteer doesn't support. It's also the right pick if you need Firefox, Safari, or Edge, or if your team already uses Selenium for QA. Now, if the target site has some serious anti-bot protection, both tools will get blocked. That's where a managed solution saves you time. Decodo's web scraping API handles fingerprinting, captchas, and IP rotation on the server side. You send a request and get clean data back. No browser management needed. In this video, we focused on the differences that mattered the most. But for the full breakdown with code examples, setup guides, and performance benchmarks, check the blog post in the description. Thanks for watching. And if this was helpful, like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. See you in the next one.